Hari Om. Article number 4, suffixes, pratyayaha. Very important linguistic element in Sanskrit. The discussions in previous article took three example sentences. Tvam gaccha, ekvachanam, yuam gacchatam, dvivachanam, yuyam gacchata, bahuvachanam. Do recall that tvam, yuam, yuyam are forms of the pronominal root word sarvanamikam pradipadikam yushmat. So also gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata are forms of the verbal root dhatu gam. In English, tvam, yuam, yuyam all are you. So also gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata all are go. In gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata, the prominent difference is in the endings. Gaccha, gaccha, tam, gaccha, ta. That is in the suffixes pratyayaha, plural, pratyayaha, singular. Pratyayaha is a very important linguistic element of Sanskrit grammar. In Ashtadhyayi, there are as many as 1821 sutrani from 311 to 5-4-160, all about pratyaya. That is starting from the third adhyaya going right up to fifth adhyaya, all the three adhyayas, third, fourth, fifth. So together 1821 sutrani. Yet I would suggest that one should understand mainly 18 ting pratyayaha, 21 sup pratyayaha and 11 krut pratyayaha. Actually, even understanding how these 18 plus 21, 39 plus 11, 50, how these 50 pratyayaha apply involves understanding the processes, prakriyaha. Broadly, 18 ting pratyayaha and 11 krut pratyayaha apply to dhatavaha and 21 supratyayaha apply to pratipadikani. With 18 ting pratyayaha, one gets ting antaha, ting plus antaha, verbs, kriyapadani. Note, gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata are tigantaha of the verbal root dhatuhu gam. With 11 krut pratyayaha, one gets kridantaha, krit antaha, kridantaha, verbal derivatives. With 21 supratyayaha, one gets subantaha, supantaha, word forms, shabda rupani of nouns, namani, pronouns, sarvanamani, adjectives, visheshana. Note, tvam, yuam, yuyam are subantaha of the pronominal root word sarvanamikam pratipadikam yushmat. So, in each of the three sentences, tvam gaccha, yuam gacchatam, tvam gaccha ekvachanam, singular, yuam gacchatam dvivachanam, dual, yuyam gacchata bahuvachanam, plural. There is one subantam, tvam, yuam, yuyam, and one tigantam, gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata. So that's what make this sentence, subantam, tigantam. In the one-word sentences, rather, in the seemingly one-word sentences, the subantam is elided. We just say gaccha. So tam is elided. Elided, not mentioned, because it is understandable. When you say gaccha, tam, understandable. Even when not mentioned, the sentences are primarily in the imperative mood, that too in second person. Is there no imperative mood for first person and third person? I guess as far as English is concerned, it should be all right to consider let me go as imperative mood for first person and let him go for third person. The English sentences have more words requiring the use of an auxiliary verb let. The subject words also do not remain I or he. Note, me and him are accusatives, dvitiya vibhakti. The implied subject word is still you let me go. So it's actually a four-word sentence where you is either singular or plural. But in Sanskrit, imperative mood, even for first and third persons, can be single words. Ekvachanam, let me go, gacchani. Dvivachanam, let two of us go, gacchava. Bahuvachanam, let us go, gacchama. Before proceeding, it ought to be noted that like in all languages, in Sanskrit also there are three persons, but the sequence in Sanskrit has a different order. What is third person in English is Prathama Purusha in Sanskrit, and the first person in English is Uttama Purusha in Sanskrit. So, the complete set of verb forms of imperative mood is Prathama Purusha Gacchatu Ekvachanam, Gacchataha Dvivachanam, Gacchantu Bahuvachanam. Madhyama Purusha Gaccha Ekvachanam, Gacchatam Dvivachanam, Gacchata Bahuvachanam. Uttama Purusha Gacchani Ekvachanam, Gacchava Dvivachanam, Gacchama Bahuvachanam. Of course, corresponding pronominal subject words are implicit, understandable. It would be good to jot down all the two-word sentences along with the pronominal subject word. With again, that subject word can be masculine, feminine, neuter, especially in the Prathama Purusha, third person. So, with masculine pronominal subject words of Prathama Purusha, Saha Gacchatu Ekvachanam, let him go, masculine. Tau Gacchataha Dvivachanam, let two of them go. Te Gacchantu Bahuvachanam, let them go. With feminine subject words of Prathama Purusha, Sa Gacchatu Ekvachanam, let her go. Te Gacchataha Dvivachanam, let two of them go. Taha Gacchantu Bahuvachanam, let them go. With neuter subject words of Prathama Purusha, Tat Gacchatu Ekvachanam, let it go. Te Gacchataha Dvivachanam, let two of them go. Tani Gacchantu Bahuvachanam, let them go. Madhyama Purusha Tvam Gaccha Ekvachanam, you go. Yuam Gacchatam Dvivachanam, you too go. Yuyam Gacchata Bahuvachanam, you all, many, go. Uttama Purusha Aham Gacchani Ekvachanam, let me go. Avam Gacchava Dvivachanam, let the two of us go. Vayam Gacchama Bahuvachanam, let us all or many go. The formatting of the words Gacchatu, Gacchataha, Gacchantu, Gaccha, Gacchatam, Gacchata, Gacchani, Gacchava, Gacchama is so perfect that even Gacchatu, Gacchataha, Gacchantu, Gacchani, Gacchava, Gacchama can very much be one-word sentences. What are jotted above are example sentences for Dhatu Hugam. In the Dhatu Pathaha at ashtadhyayi.com, there are 2259 Dhatavaha detailed. It would be interesting to do some basic study of them. For a specimen, the first Dhatu is, in that whole list of 2059, the first one, 01.001. Bhu, Bhu Sattayam Vadihi Parasmaipadi Akarmakaha set. To exist, to become, to be, to happen. Now let us study this particular line. 01.001, 0001, Bhu Bhu Sattayam Vadihi, by step. The 01.001 has two parts. The part 10101 refers to one of the 10 sets of Ganaha, to which the Dhatu belongs. The other part, 0.0001, goes up to 01.1166, Ruting, Jugupsayam, Krupayam cha Bhadihi, Atmanepadi, Sakarma, Akarmakaha, set. To pity, to hate, to criticize, to abuse, to favor. See, the pattern is identical. First, the 2-digit number, then another 4-digit number, then Bhu Bhu, Ruting, Sattayam, Jugupsayam, Krupayam cha, Bhadihi, Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi, Akarmakaha, set, and then the meaning in English. So, in set 01, that is in Ganaha 01, there are 1166 Dhatavaha out of total 2259. Obviously, this is the largest Ganaha. Grammatical name of this Ganaha of this set Ganaha is Bhwadihi. That is what is mentioned here, Bhwadihi. Note, Dhatuhu 01.001 is Bhu. So name of the Ganaha is Bhu Adihi, Bhwadihi. That is the first Dhatu. The name of the set is Bhwadihi because the set starts with, has its beginning, starts with, has its Adihi, starting by the Dhatuhu Bhu. So Bhu Adihi, Bhwadihi. After 01.1166, that is after 1166 Dhatavaha of Ganaha 01, there is 02.001, Ad, Adang, Bhakshane, Adadihi, Parasmaipadi, Akarmakaha, Anit, to eat, to binge. Dhatuhu 02.0001 is Ad. The grammatical name of the second set is Adadihi. Ad Adihi. See here, Adadihi. 030001 Who. Who. Dana Danayoho. Adane Prinane cha Juhotyadihi Parasmaipadi Sakarmakaha Anit. Note, the name of this Ganaha is Juhotyadihi. It is coined differently because Who plus Adihi, Vhadihi, does not sound a good name. So then I have listed here the Ganaha by their order, serial order 0203. Now 04. 04.0001 Div. And then Div, Krida Vijigisha Vyavahara Jyotistuti Moda Mada Swapna Kanti Gatishu Divadihi Parasmaipadi Akarmaka Sakarmakaha set. 05.0001 Su Shri Abhishave Swadihi Uhaypadi Sakarmakaha Anit. So like that, 06.0001 Tud Tudang Vyathane Tudadihi Ubhaypadi Sakarmakaha Anit. 07.0001 Rud Rudhir Avarane Rudh Adihi Rudhadihi Ubhaypadi Dvikarmakaha Anit. I have omitted the meanings in English because they are not the original Sanskrit. Original Sanskrit word meanings are here, that we will come to. 08.0001 Tan Tanang Vistare Tanadihi Ubhaypadi Sakarmakaha set. 09.0001 Kri Dukrain Dukreem Dravya Vinimaye Kriyadihi Kri Adihi Kriyadihi Ubhaypadi Sakarmakaha Anit. Then 10.0001 Chur Churnae Steye Churadihi Ubhaypadi Sakarmakaha set. The logic of starting the Dhatavaha in 10 Ganaha takes into account some characteristic modifier, Vikaranam, that has a role in the formation of the Tigantaha of the Dhatavaha. In these Ganaha, the modifiers, Vikaranani, are as follows. The 01, Prathamaha, Bhwadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Shap, operates as A. For 02, Dvitiyaha Adadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Look, operates with no significant effect. For 03, Tritiyaha Juhotyadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Shlu, operates by causing doubling of the first consonant. For 04, Chaturthaha Divadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Shan, operates as Yo. For 05, Panchamaha Swadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Shnu, operates as Nu. For 06, Shashtha Tudadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Sh, operates as O. For 07, Saptamaha Rudhadi Ganaha. Grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Shnam, operates as N. For 08, 8th, Ashtamaha Tanadi Ganaha. grammatical name of the Vikarana is U, operates as U. For 09, ninth, Navamaha, Kriyadiganaha, grammatical name of the Vikarana is Shna, operates as Na. For 10, 10th, Dashamaha, Churadiganaha, grammatical name of the Vikaranam is Nich, operates as E. After the serial number 01.001, 0001 and 0001.1166, then 08.0001, etc., we have two items, Bhu Bhu, Rut Ruting, Tan Tanung, etc. Of these, first is the basic form of the dhatu, Bhu, Tan, Rut, from which more words, Tigantaha, Kridantaha are obtained. For example, Gam is the basic form, from which Tigantaha, Gachatu, Gachataha, Gachantu, etc. are obtained. The next item, such as Ruting, see, Rut, Ruting, is the grammatical name of the dhatu. In the case of Bhu, Bhu, the grammatical name is not different from its basic form. That is so for 03.0001, Who also. In the case of my favorite dhatu, Gam, its grammatical name is 01.1137, Gam, Gam, Rung. The further item is Sattayam. See 01.0001, Bhu Bhu Sattayam. This word Sattayam is meaning of the dhatu in Sanskrit. Rather, Sattayam is Saptami Ekvachanam of the Pratipadikam Satta. This Saptami Vibhakti, locative case, is employed to indicate in what instance, locative, the dhatu is to be used. So, locative case, Saptami Vibhakti. Note, in the case of 04.0001, Div, Divung, Krida, Vijigisha, Vyavahara, Dyutistuti, Moda, Mada, Swapna, Kanti, Gatishu, there is a long word ending in Shu. That is because it is Saptami Bahochanam. The dhatu Div is seen used in as many as 10 instances, namely Krida, Vijigisha, Vyavahara, Dyuti, Stuti, Moda, Mada, Swapna, Kanti, Gati. By the way, the etymology of the word Devaha, God, is from this dhatu Div, because Devaha has all these 10 faculties. Interesting, right? Back to 01.0001. Bhu Bhu Sattayam Bhadihi Parasmaipadi Akarmakaha set. To exist, to become, to be, to happen. The further item Bhadihi is already explained. It is the grammatical name of the Ganaha, to which dhatu Bhu belong. Now Parasmaipadi. Here Padam is a linguistic element of a dhatu. Literally, Parasmai means unto someone else. There is an action inherent in every dhatu. Use of the dhatu, that is the action inherent to it, may have orientation unto someone else, Parasmai, or unto oneself, Atmane. In the case of some dhatu, the inherent action may have both orientations, Atmane and Parasmai. Such dhatu is Ubhayapadi. See 05.0001 Su, 06.0001 Tud. Let me show you. Yes. See, Su, Ubhayapadi. 06, Tud, Ubhayapadi. 07, Rud, Ubhayapadi. 08, Tan, Ubhayapadi. 09, Kri, Ubhayapadi. 10, Chur, Ubhayapadi. Except for 01, Bhu is Parasmaipadi. 02001 Ad is again Atti. What was that? Ad. Have I missed? No, here it is. Adadihi. Oh, I mentioned the pada of that dhatu. Okay, I will come to that. So basically, from 5th ganaha to 10th ganaha, all the 6 ganaha, the main dhatu are Ubhaypadi, the dhatu of number 0001 in each gana. They are all Ubhaypadi. Not that all dhatu of that gana are Ubhaypadi. The dhatu at number 0001 in that gana, they happen to be Ubhaypadi. Maybe meaningfully selected like that. So mostly did I read that? Unto someone else. Yeah, okay. Ubhaypadi, okay. Mostly Padamapa dhatu is predetermined. Importance of Padam as a linguistic element is that dictates how the Tigantaha, such as Gacchatu, Gacchataha, Gacchantu, Gaccha, Gacchatam, Gacchata, Gacchani, Gacchava, Gacchama are to be formed. For an Atmanepadi dhatu, 01.0002, Ed, Edhang, Vruddhau, Vhadihi, Atmanepadi, Akarmakaha said. Also, there are 15 two-word sentences. I may as well tabulate them. For dhatu, now I am putting those 15 two-word sentences in the form of a tabulation. I think it is a crisp way of presenting. For dhatu 01.0002, edhang, vruddhau, vadi, atmanepadam. I have the columns here: purushaha, prathamaha, madhyamaha, uttamaha, lingam. Because the lingam, the gender, has to be specific basically for prathama purusha. Madhyama and uttama purusha, the gender doesn't matter because the format of the pratipadikam yushmad or pratipadikam asmad in the case of uttama purusha, that does not change with lingam in the case of madhyama purusha and uttama purusha. But the subject words are different according to the lingam. So lingam, pullingam, kartrupadam saha, edhatam. Then saha, dvivachanam, tau, edhetam. Then bahuvachanam, te, edhantam. So like that, the edhatam, edhetam, edhantam don't change. So they are made common in a merged sense. So Strilingam Kartrupadam sa edhatam, te edhetam, taha edhantam. Napusakalingam tat edhatam, te edhetam, tani edhantam. So that is how we have 9 sentences here. And then tvam edhasva, yuam edhetham, yuyam edhadvam. Aham edhai, avam edhavahai, vayam edhamahai. Now, since tigantaha are obtained by adding a suffix pratyaya to a dhatu, the process, prakriya of obtaining the tigantam entails mixing of the ending word antyavarnaha of the dhatu and the beginning of the adivarnaha of the pratyaya. So, I should compile such tables of 15 sentences for 4 dhatavaha of each gana. 2 vowel ending, parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. Also 2 consonant ending, parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. For the ganaha, above are sentences for gam and edh, both consonant ending, parasmaipadi and atmanepadi respectively. Let me compile tables for tigantaha of vowel ending bhu parasmaipadi and 01.1120 trai त्रयी पालने भ्वादिः आत्मनेपदी. So bhu vowel ending, trai again vowel ending, bhu is parasmaipadi, trai is atmanepadi, sakarmakah anit, meaning is try to protect, to secure. So now here is the table for bhu sattayam, bhu vowel ending parasmaipadi. I have already compiled for gam and edh. Gam was parasmaipadi and was consonant ending, and edh was consonant ending atmanepadi. Now vowel ending parasmaipadi bhu. प्रथमः पुरुषः पुल्लिंगम सः भवतु, तौ भवतां, ते भवन्तु. स्त्रीलिंगम सा भवतु, ते भवतां, ताः भवन्तु. नपुंसकलिंगम तत् भवतु, ते भवतां, तानि भवन्तु. एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं, like that. Then मध्यम पुरुषः सर्वाणि लिंगानि, all genders. कर्तृपदम त्वम, एकवचनं भव, त्वम भव, युवां भवतं, यूयं भवत. उत्तम पुरुषः सर्वाणि लिंगानि, अहं भवानि, आवां भवाव, वयं भवाम. So again 15 sentences. 3, 3, 3. So 9 here, then 3 here, 3 here. 15 sentences. Now this table is for trai. Pullingam saha trayatam, like that. Sa trayatam, ekvachanam. Tat trayatam, ekvachanam. Tau trayetam, te trayetam, te trayetam, dvivachanam, dual. Te trayantam, taha trayantam, तानि त्रायन्ताम, बहुवचनं, प्लूरल. So त्वं त्रायस्व, युवां त्रायेथां, यूयं त्रायध्वम्, अहं त्रायै, आवां त्रायावहै, वयं त्रायामहै. See the sentences त्वं गच्छ, त्वं भव, both परस्मैपदी. त्वं एधस्व, त्वं त्रायस्व, both atmanepadi. Make an interesting comparative study. Likewise, aham gacchani, aham bhavani, aham edhai, aham trayai. Saha sa tat gacchatu, bhavatu. Saha sa tat edhatam, trayatam. Let us do similar study for ad, adang bhakshane, adadihi. Then ad is consonant ending. E in gatau, adadihi, but E is vowel ending. Parasmaipadi, adadihi. Ad also is parasmaipadi, E also is parasmaipadi. Then 02.0011, as. As is consonant ending. Asang upaveshane, to say. Adadihi, atmanepadi. And then 02.0026, she, sheen, swapne, to sleep, adadihi, atmanepadi, akarmakaha, set. I have compiled those tables. Maybe instead of reading them, what I will do, I will post them on my blog or on my Facebook page and various other places, so that it can be available as a text to be read. And then we can go ahead with the comparative study of the different forms for the different dhatavaha. I think I should do tabulations for vowel ending ajantaha. Now I am introducing another word, vowel ending ajantaha and consonant ending halantaha, parasmaipadinaha and atmanepadinaha, dhatavaha of all ganaha. Let me first make a list of my selection, because there are 2259 dhatavaha. I have to make my own selection, so that from every Ganaha, I will have 4 dhatus. 2 vowel ending, 2 consonant ending. One of them Parasmaipadi, one of them Atmanepadi. Where Ubhayapadi is there, that will serve the purpose of both Parasmaipadi and Ubhayapadi. For example, here in third Ganaha, 03.0010, Da, Dudai, Dane, Juhotyadi, Ubhayapadi. So one can have 15 sentences for Dane, Parasmaipadi, 15 Parasmaipadi and 15 Atmanepadi, so 30 sentences. For which Pruthak Bhave, Juhotyadi, again Ubhayapadi. So Akarmakani. So it is good that both are Ubhayapadi. In the case of Ubhayapadi Dhatu, there will be 30 sentences, 15 in Parasmaipadam and 15 in Atmanepadam. So totally there will be 30 plus 30, 60 sentences from 4 tables. Vowel ending Parasmaipadi 15, 1 table. Vowel ending Atmanepadi, another table. Consonant ending Parasmaipadi, 1 table. Consonant ending Atmanepadi, another table. So 15 in each table, 15 would have 4, 60 sentences. What I am trying to suggest is that we are getting prepared with so many sentences. 60 sentences for each Ganaha, and there are 10 Ganaha. So 600 sentences. That is how, if we know the basics, if we understand the linguistic elements, our study can progress very fast and yet systematically. I think let me stop here. Thank you. Shubhamastu.